In this video, I will show you how to install Discord on a PC. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and then what you want to do is actually come across to discord.com. So once you're here from the homepage, you're going to see on the very front that you have got the option to open up Discord in your web browser, or you have got the option to download for Windows. Although you can use the web-based version of Discord, the actual Discord app is a lot better to use, and for the best experience I would actually recommend downloading the Discord application. So if you don't have Windows, what you can do is come up to the top and click on download up here. And what you're going to be able to do from here is actually scroll down and see all the different platforms you can download for. So you've got, for example, iOS, Android, Linux, Mac, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is simply click the appropriate download button for the system that you're using. So in my case, it's for Windows. So what I'm going to do is click that, and that's going to start downloading. So after a second or two, when the app's finished downloading updates, you're going to get a screen like this, which is the login screen. And what you can do is just, if you've already got an account, of course, enter your details here and click the blue login button. If, however, you are new to Discord and you do need to create an account, if you look underneath the blue login button, you will see a link to register. So what you want to do is go ahead, click that, and then fill out a short form to register for an account for Discord. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you did consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.